You all have opened it. Now I want you all, yes, page number is 58, bete. You have to write down the nouns which are available at this page. Okay, just go through the page once and write down the nouns. You have to write down the nouns in the chat box. Okay, is page per on page number 58. You have to identify the nouns and then write them down in the chat box. Okay, so I'm getting replies. Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So there is man. Okay. Vegetable man is there, right? Bicycle, vegetables, crow, potatoes. Very good. Sparrows. Nice. Okay. Boy. Fine. So all of these are nouns, right? Who can tell me the meaning of a noun? Write me in the chat box. Who wants to tell the meaning of a noun? जिसको पता है what is a noun? Yes, who can tell me the meaning of a noun? I want you all to switch on your cameras, please, bete. Switch on your cameras, everyone. Okay, Harnoor. Harnoor, can you please unmute yourself and start speaking? Please tell me what is the meaning of a noun. Yes, Harnoor.
A name of thing, person, and place is called noun.
Okay, that's good. So you know what is the meaning of a noun. It's the name of a person, place, or a thing. That is called a noun. Now, who can tell me what is an adjective? Write me in the chat box. Who can tell me what is the adjective? What is an adjective? Meaning of an adjective. Not the adverb, but I want the meaning of adjective. Okay, Harveen. Harveen has written me in the chat box. Yes, Harveen, please unmute yourself, Harveen, and then tell me the meaning of an adjective.
मतलब होता है जो कि किसी के बारे में बताता है.
Okay, that's correct. But can you please try to speak in English? Your answer is correct. Let's speak in English, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Describing words.
Yes.
The words that tell the meaning of the thing.
Okay, the words that tell the meaning of a thing. Meaning? No, it's not the meaning. Who wants to speak?
Quality of that.
Okay, wait. Yes, Janet. Janet, please unmute yourself and tell me the answer. What is an adjective?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, quality of that
But first
person.
of all, please switch on your camera, Janet. I want to see your face. Yes, now it's fine. Tell me.
Quality of that person.
Quality of a person. Okay. So is it only the quality of a person? Do we have only adjective of quality?
Mommy.
Then?
Ma'am, I can speak. Can I? Quality of noun.
Only quality of noun. Okay, Tanvi, what do you want to speak, bete? Yes, Tanvi.
Sir. Mommy, I just made to describe.
Anything.
Okay, to describe anything. Adjectives describe a thing, a place, or a person. And you can tell us about the quality or quantity or the number of that particular noun. हमें एक noun के बारे में या उसके pronoun के बारे में they tell us something about a noun or a pronoun, right? Now my next question to you is, in this chapter, according to this chapter, there are some sounds produced by some nouns, right? You are supposed to write those sounds. So the first one is crow. What is the sound of a crow? Write it quickly in the chat box. The sound of a crow. And you must remember that you have to write the sounds twice. आपको 2 बार लिखनी है, okay? Very good. It is cow, cow. All right. The sound of a crow is cow, cow. Very good. So you all know about it. The second one is the sound of a bicycle. Sound of a bicycle. What is the sound of a bicycle? Okay, so Baljot has mentioned it correctly. It is tringling, tringling. So you have to put 2 hyphens in between, right? Tring, put a hyphen, right? Put a hyphen and then right linked. It's tringling, tringling. It is the sound of a bicycle. Very nice. What is the sound of the talking of the children? Sound of the talking of children. What is it? Chatter.
Chatter.
Okay, so it is chatter, chatter.
Chatter, chatter.
Very good. What is the sound of their shoes? The sound of the shoes of the children, what is it? Sound of their shoes is tramp, tramp. T-R-A-M-P. Tramp,
Tramp, tramp.
tramp. Very good. And what is the sound of the sparrows? Sound of the sparrows is? Write in the chat box. It is chirp, chirp.
Chirp, chirp.
Please write the correct spelling, bete. It is
Chirp,
C-H-I-R-R-U-P. C-H-I-R-R-U-P. It's chirp, chirp. I know we are going to make mistakes. So please do not this word. Please remember the spelling of this word. It is C-H-I-R-R-U-P. Chirp, chirp. Okay? Great. Now,
Excuse me,
tell
Sanya
me.
ma'am,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
वॉइस में थोड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, क्रैक हो गई.
Okay, ma'am, there must be some network issue then. I can't help it. Okay. My next question is, how many kinds of vegetables is the vegetable man selling in this chapter? How many kinds of vegetables? 7. Some are writing 4. What is the exact number of vegetables the vegetable man is selling? The count of vegetables. Okay, let's write their names. The first one is, write the name of the vegetables which he is selling in this chapter.
Peas,
Okay.
cauliflower, cabbage.
Cauliflowers. Very good. Carrots.
Cauliflower, cabbage.
Cabbage. Don't speak anything. Do not speak anything.
Tomato.
Please
Radish. Carrot.
not to speak. कोई बच्चा बोलेगा नहीं. Please write in
Cucumber,
the chat
radish.
box. Carrots के बाद potatoes, cucumbers, radishes. So potatoes, cucumbers, radishes, carrots. What else? Cauliflowers, radishes, and peas. Those 7 are there. Okay. अब आपने those vegetables who are mentioned in the chapter.
Your voice is not clear. मैम की आवाज आ रही पर रुक रुक के आ रही है, मैं समझ नहीं आ रहा क्या बोल रहे हो.
Okay, beta, please wait for a while. Okay, so I hope now it must be clear. So जितनी भी vegetables आपको बेटे बताई गई हैं इसके अंदर,
Yes,
जो
ma'am.
उनके names है, वही आपने लिखनी है. ओके, इज इट क्लियर नाउ दया मैम? अभी क्लियर है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
अब
Okay.
ठीक है मैम.
Okay. Now what you have to do is you have to tell me that apart from there, vegetable man is there, newspaper boy, crow, birds, apart from all of these, which all people come to your house on daily basis? Apart from the vegetable man, the birds, the children, your friends, which other people come to your house daily? Okay. Maid, yes, a maid comes to your house daily. Very good. Milkman comes to your house daily. Washerman, newspaper man. Very good.
Ma'am, milkman.
Okay, milkman. Okay, now I suppose that आपके घर में कोई ना कोई milkman तो रोज आता ही होगा, right? So write some adjectives about a milkman. Okay, postman also. That's good.
मैम हमारे घर में नहीं.
Okay, then you must have seen a milkman in a movie
Yes,
or in a
ma'am.
show. Okay, कहीं ना कहीं तो देखा होगा आपने. Write some adjectives about a milkman. Who can
मैम
write adjectives?
पहले आता.
Ma'am, vegetable man.
Okay, so there is a garbage collector also. Very good. Garbage collector also comes to your house daily or maybe after 2 or 3 days. So now you
Ma'am, vegetable.
better do not speak anything. People are supposed to write some adjectives about a milkman. Write some adjectives about a milkman. कोई adjectives लिखो.
Vegetable man.
Beta, listen to my question properly first of all. I have told you to write some adjectives about a milkman. He's very tall.
Garbage collector.
About milkman, bete. Very tall, young, thin. Very good, Namanjot. Vanchika. Good. Hardworking. हरवीन बेटा, what is a cow seller? Cow seller क्या होता है? गाय बेचने के लिए कोई आता है आपके घर पे?
बुक पे ये चैट बॉक्स में.
Okay, it is a. So Baljot has mentioned clever, old.
Ma'am, hardworking, old.
Hardworking. Beta, please don't speak anything. I've told you 100 times. Just write in the chat box. Okay. Hardworking, old, thin, tiny. Okay, he comes on daily basis, right? He comes on bicycle. Okay, so after this, now as you have told me some adjectives about your exam, you have to write sentences about his daily routine now. Okay, write some sentences about his routine. वो क्या करता है? Which things does he do? Now write some sentences about him. Okay, now these are the adjectives. My next question is, write some lines about a milkman. Okay, Namanjot says he comes on a black cycle. Write some lines about a milkman. Okay, he comes on black bicycle.
आवाज नहीं सुनाई दे रही है, रुक रुक के आ रही है. मैम समझ नहीं आ रहा आप क्या कह रहे हो.
But there must be some problem with the internet connection. किसी ना किसी के connection में problem हो सकती है. Okay, he comes on bicycle. He comes on a bike. He comes in evening time. Okay. Very good. He comes in the morning. Very good. So now, as you have told me, he comes on a bicycle, he comes in the morning, he comes in the evening, he comes on daily basis. So which tense is this? ये कौन सा tense है जो आप use कर रहे हो? Which tense is this? कौन सा टेंस है बेटा ये? He is very punctual. Okay. He comes very late. He comes at 9 a.m. This is simple present tense. Very good. Simple present tense. जब आप किसी की daily routine के बारे में बताते हो, very good. Yes, this is simple present. Okay, now I'm going to speak a sentence. Now I'm going to speak a sentence in Hindi. You people have to tell me which tense is this. Okay? I'm going to speak a sentence in Hindi and you have to tell me which tense is this. Okay? All right. मैं अभी बोलने जा रही हूँ. Now it is about a gardener. माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा है. माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा है. Which tense is this? Write in the chat box. Yes, Sargun, please write in the chat box. Which is this? Which tense is this? माली पौधों को पानी दे रहा है. Yes, exactly. This is present continuous tense because the work is in progress. काम अभी चल रहा है. Okay. So when you speak in Hindi, if the sentence says कि ऐसा अभी हो रहा है, चल रहा है, गा रहा है, रो रहा है, जा रहा है, खाना खा रहा है, that means it is present continuous tense. Now again I'm going to speak a sentence. Everybody please mute yourselves. Somebody's mic is on. Let me check whose mic is on. Harshita, beta, your mic is on. Please switch it off. Harshita.
मैंने म्यूट किया मैम इसे.
Okay, ma'am. So again, I'm going to speak a sentence in Hindi. Now my sentence is, दूध वाला रोज हमारे घर पे दूध देने आता है. दूध वाला रोज हमारे घर पे दूध देने के लिए आता है. Which tense is this? रोज दूध देने आता है. So this is simple present tense. रोज दूध देने के लिए आता है. Okay. कैसे पता चला? क्योंकि ये काम रोज होता है. रोज आता है, जाता है, खाता है, पीता है, सोता है, पढ़ता है. This is simple present tense. लेकिन जब मैं कहूँ कि कर रहा है, हो रहा है, चल रहा है, ओके, जहां पे होगा आता है, that is simple present tense. जब कहूंगी आ रहा है, that is present continuous tense. So you can, if you get confused about the sentences, just translate it in Hindi and you'll get to know that what does it mean and which tense has been used. बस आपको ये पता होना चाहिए that simple present tense is used to express the daily routine of a noun, of a person or a pronoun, and we use present continuous to tell about the action which is going on. जो action अभी चल रहा होता है, for that we use present continuous tense, right? Okay. Now you have to tell me about your routine in simple present tense. Tell me about your routine in simple present tense. You are also school going children. Okay, so you can use the words like chatter, chatter, tramp, tramp. How will you use these words? You have to use the sounds which have been used in the chapter. वो sounds जो chapter में use की गई है, using them, you have to make some sentences about your daily routine. Okay, so Cheshta says, I do homework. I wake nahi beta, it is wake up. I wake up at 7:30. So when you have to say कि मैं जागता हूँ, so you can say I wake up. I wake up in the morning at 7 a.m. Okay, so I go to play football in the morning. Very good. I exercise daily. I chatter all the day. Sargun, the correct formation of the sentence would be I chatter all the day. मैं दिन भर बातें करती रहती हूँ. दिन भर बातें करती हूँ. I chatter all the day. Okay. Namanjot, this is present continuous tense which you have written. I am studying now. And I've told you to write your daily routine. Exercise daily, I read and write, I chatter with my friends in school. Very good. I wake up at 7:30. I go to school. My shoes tramp, tramp. Very good, Krishna. Yes, tried to use it. Okay. I go to school and when I go to school, my shoes tramp. My shoes tramp all the time. Very good, Gorika. My shoes tramp all the time. I wake up in the morning at 7. Okay. His shoes always tramp. Okay. So tramp basically is the sound of the shoes. I do my homework when meeting is done. I go to temple daily. Okay. Okay, so one word is there, foolish. Can you use the word foolish in a sentence? Students tramp their shoes. Okay, Baljot. I feed the birds. Very nice. I play in the evening with my brother. There are foolish cats. Okay. My mom chatters with everyone. Okay, Jeshta. Right. So there are some vegetables also. So you can mention about
foolish.
you can mention about your favorite vegetable as well, right? Which vegetables do you like and which you not? My bicycle does tringling. Very good. He's a foolish boy, a foolish man. Woke me up. This boy is foolish. This cat is foolish. Okay. You can use some vegetables. That which vegetable do you eat quite often? आप ज़्यादातर कौन सी सब्जी खाना पसंद करते हो? Which vegetables do you like or which vegetables you don't like? You can mention about that as well. I like potatoes. Okay. So Harveen has mentioned tinda. Tinda not my favorite. There is a particular word for this vegetable, Harveen. Who can tell me what do we call tinda in English?
Foolish cats are very naughty.
Okay, that's fine. Polish cats are very naughty. This is a homework for you now. Okay, Harveen has mentioned one vegetable, tinda. You have to find out the English word for this vegetable. I go to bed. Okay, Harvinder, you have mentioned I go to bed on 10 p.m. Beta, please keep it in your mind. जब भी हम time की बात करते हैं ना, like 10 p.m. or 10 a.m. time के साथ on नहीं आता. It is at. जब भी आप time mention कर रहे हो, at 4 p.m. at 10 p.m. Okay, on mention नहीं करना, at लगाना है. Cheshta, it is not bottle guard, bete. It is not bottle guard.
मैं मीटिंग फिनिश कब होएगी?
It is about to get finished in 5 minutes. I like onions and everything. Okay, vegetable man comes to my home and sells the vegetables. Very good. I go to farm every Sunday. Okay. You like potato roti. Beta, roti word is not in English. You can write chapati. Vegetable man comes to my home and asks for vegetable. I loves. Harshita, when you are writing I के साथ बेटा जो आप verb use कर रहे हो, s use नहीं करना वहां पे साथ में आपने. Okay. I love butter chicken. You can say like this. Okay, so Krishna has given the right answer. It is called round guard. Okay, Harveen, it is not tinda in English, it is round guard. R-O-U-N-D, round, G-O-U-R-D, round guard. And tomorrow I'm going to listen to it. Listen, I'm going to ask you to tell me the name of this vegetable again in English. Okay, it is called round guard. Everybody write in the chat box what is tinda called in English. Okay, Cheshta is writing the vegetable man says potatoes 100 rupees for kg, pumpkin 60 rupees for half kg. Oh my God, Cheshta, you're very active about the vegetables. Okay, so it is round guard. Very good. I drink milk 5 times in a day. Okay. I like to eat butter in everything. Very good. All right. Now there is one more word which is
ROUND
WIDE.
round guard.
In the last line of the chapter, wide. I want you to use wide in a sentence. Wide. The meaning of wide is जिस चीज में स्पेस ज्यादा अवेलेबल हो, जो चीज थोड़ी सी चौड़ी ज्यादा हो, बारीक नहीं हो, चौड़ी हो, उसमें से निकलने को जगह हो. Okay, which is broad. Like the best example I gave you is about the roads. Some roads are very tight, but some roads are very spacious. उनमें निकलने की जगह होती है. So the road is very wide. This road is very wide. Okay. I am wide awake. My eyes are wide awake. You can say my eyes are wide awake. Okay. Now there is one more word, softly. How can you use softly in a sentence? Softly. 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 Okay, so he speaks to me softly. She speaks softly with me. Softly means बड़े ही प्यार से, आराम से. Vinisha has written, I eat eggs softly. बेटे आप कुछ कोई चीज softly खाते नहीं हो. Okay, so you are making sentences, but they are not correct. Like Soham has made a sentence, the pillow is very softly. No. जब आप किसी चीज को डिस्क्राइब कर रहे हो कि वो सॉफ्ट है, आप उसको सॉफ्ट ही बोलोगे. द पिल्लो इज वेरी सॉफ्ट. यहाँ पर सॉफ्टली यूज नहीं करोगे. लेकिन बेटा जब आप कोई एक्शन बता रहे हो ना, उसके साथ आप सॉफ्टली यूज करोगे. ही स्पीक्स टू मी वेरी सॉफ्टली. एक्शन के साथ आप सॉफ्टली यूज करोगे, लेकिन अगर कोई चीज सॉफ्ट है तो फिर आप सॉफ्ट ही यूज करोगे. आई ईट चिकन सॉफ्टली. My friend speaks softly. Yes, बेटे.
मैम ये सेंटेंस बन सकता है.
Which sentence?
I eat chapati. I chew chapati very soft.
Softly की बजाय बेटे आप gently use कर सकते हो. I chew the chapati gently, because softly is something जो कि soft के साथ रिलेटेड होता है, कि बहुत जो नरम हो. ओके, उसके साथ हम यूज करते हैं. My skin is so soft. This is correct. Mishita has used this word correctly. My skin is very soft. It is fine. But how can you use softly? He touched me softly. Well,
the bread is very soft.
Yes, the bread is very soft. He touched me softly. He speaks very softly.
My dog barks softly.
नहीं बेटे, बार्किंग का मतलब तो एक एक्शन ऐसा होता है जो कि वायलेंट सा होता है ना. बार्किंग मतलब भौंकना, तो वो सॉफ्टली कैसे हो सकता है? उसमें तो बहुत ज्यादा आवाज आती है. सो इट कांट बी सॉफ्टली. Okay, my next question to you is, who was annoyed?
My jacket is very soft.
Okay, your jacket is very soft. That is correct. So next question is, with whom was the road annoyed? With whom was the road annoyed?
Please repeat.
With whom, किसके साथ? With whom was the road annoyed? Yes, so I'm getting the correct answers. The correct answer is crow. With whom was the road annoyed?
Crow.
The answer is crow. And what is the meaning of annoyed? Please write in the chat box. What is the meaning of annoyed? The meaning of annoyed is annoyed. Write in English, Krishna. Angry. Angry is the right word. रोड किसके साथ गुस्सा था, किसके साथ वो annoyed था, and the answer is crow. So the meaning of annoyed
Angry.
in English is angry. It is angry.
Angry.
Yes. So children, I'm going to end the meeting now because I have some other session as well. So I hope today's session was interesting, and you need to write down the question answers in your notebook. I've shared the question answers in the WhatsApp group. You need to write them in your notebooks. All right. Then ma'am, please end the meeting.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye bye, ma'am.